Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you one of the most important tools that I use and actually created for training your LoRa's. So if you recall, I released a LoRa dataset prep tool a couple of months ago that was free to anyone who joined my Patreon. It's still free, it will always be free. That's version 1.2, so let's take a look here. So what you see here is the original version. It used a localized JOAI caption engine running, which was a little bit heavy and unnecessary. It limited access to people with strong GPUs or dedicated GPUs. With the new tool, it uses the Google Gemini API. So this can be run on literally any device that can install Node, because it is a Node app. It's quite simple to install, takes about, 3 minutes or so. The old version that is free on my Patreon to this day takes quite a while. JOAI caption is a little bit slower. Using the Gemini API, we can prep our data in minutes. It takes no time at all. Some other improvements that we added was more automation. So we did a deep dive into tons of LoRa training forums on Reddit and all over the web to get feedback on what settings were working best for each model. So as you can see here, you can set your training goal. There's a few options here. And it's going to adjust the prompt, the strength, the caption length, negative hints, keywords, pretty much anything you can think of to be fully optimized for what you are trying to train. So your data is going to be extremely clean. You can load that data into any popular LoRa training software, such as Ostrus AI Toolkit, Koya SS, and many others. It's just very standard, but the most important part is how you prep your data. So using this tool is actually going to give you quite an edge. The settings are mostly automated, like I said, and your data is going to come out very clean. And you can do this rapidly. So if you don't quite get the results you want the first try, you could run it again. It's only 3 minutes or so to do a full data set prep. So this is available to paid members on my Patreon if you'd like to try the new version. It's now available for download. If you'd like to try the older free version, it's there as well. Just join the Patreon for free. You don't have to pay anything, and you can use that one as well to kind of get an idea what this is all about. Okay, so let's do a trial run just to show you how this goes. So the file prefix will be how your files are named. So that'll be your text and your image that matches. So let's just do Audrey. And the keyword is going to be Audrey Hepburn. Now, let's just leave it on Stable Diffusion. This is what it thinks is best for Stable Diffusion. Now, you can do any of your favorite checkpoints. They're all there. Also, you're going to want to add a subject token, something different than the name, something that isn't quite English, but is in reference to your target would be my recommendation. Here is the processing delay. So this is actually for rate limiting on Google Gemini. I found in my testing of the new version, if I didn't have a rate limit, sometimes it would limit me and screw up the entire generation. So I would set this to 3 seconds. Okay, so this is a very simple setup. Let's just see how it goes. Great, so it looks like we have the first one back. That looks good. It's a little bit small to read, but don't worry, you can open the text file later and take a look at it. So really the only delay we're seeing is just from the rate limit of 3 seconds that we added. So this is going very quickly. It's very easy to set your API key as well. There's just an env file in the main folder. Just fire in your API key in that file and save it, and you're good to go. I do have plans for adding OpenAI and other LLMs later, or maybe some localized settings again, but I wanted just to create something very lightweight that would be easy for everyone to use and can get started right away. Whether you're on a laptop or you're running a 5090, you should be able to use this just the same as everyone else. So once this finishes, you're going to get a zip file, and you just extract it and fire in those files into any of your favorite LoRa training tools. It'll be fully compatible and perfectly prepared for optimal LoRa training. Yeah, this is looking really good. This is exactly what I wanted for Stable Diffusion, and this should train a nice LoRa of Audrey Hepburn. Okay, that's complete. That took about, 3 or 4 minutes real time. It would go faster, but the processing delay, of course, adds time to it, but that's important so you don't get rate limited. This is about, 20 times faster than the last version, so this is fantastic for huge data sets. And now that it's finished, you have the download zip button. and you're ready to go. So yeah, this will be available to all my paid Patreons, and anyone who joins now can get it as well. You can also do a one-time purchase if you want. I really appreciate everyone who supported me on this journey so far. I'm doing my best to create tools and add value to the AI community, so if you have any suggestions or tips or ideas that you want to see come to light, just let me know and I'll see what I can do. All right, guys, happy Halloween and have a good weekend.